Updating Instagram to the newest version is a simple process. To ensure you don't miss any steps, follow this guide carefully. Begin by accessing your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. In the search bar, type Instagram, look for the Update button next to the Instagram app. If it only shows uninstall and open your app is already updated. However, if there's no update button and your Instagram is not up to date, there's an alternative method. First, log out of Instagram and locate the app on your device. For Android users, press and hold the Instagram app, then click on App Info. For iPhone users, navigate to Settings, Storage, and find Instagram. In the storage settings, choose Clear Cache for Android or Offload app for iPhone. Once cleared, uninstall the Instagram app. Reinstall the app from the App Store, and it will automatically update to the latest version. Following these steps ensures your Instagram app is up to date with the newest features and improvements.